Hi, this is Henny Blanco of the DirtNat podcast, and I've recently started playing a game that's called the Black Watchmen, and I got to a part in mission, I think 13, season 2, it might be 12 or 14, I'll put it in the title. I found that I was having problems solving this particular puzzle, so I've given some time to, I guess, describing and explaining how this puzzle works. So essentially, what you have is a sieve. It's got 4 nodes, and basically what you want to do is not have anything come out the arrows at the end. Those are considered overflow. So what you want to do instead is set up your nodes in a way that they will eat the data and presumably not get damaged. So as far as handling data, there are 3 types, A, B, and C. And as you can see, the data types are node A can process data type A, cannot process data type B, and enters neutral mode for data type C. So that when it says node A can process data type A, what that means is that there are 4 processing boxes in each node. And that means that it can process up to 4 A's. Cannot process means that if you get 2 or more, there will be an error and the node will shut off altogether and not accept any more data. So node A can process data type A, cannot process data type B, which means that there are 2 boxes, and if both those boxes have B's in them, they disappear. And neutral mode for data type C means that essentially it will ignore it and it will be able to continue the C data will be able to continue moving down the path. So what we are going to do is, so if a node processes data type that is not compatible with it, node A processing data type B, for example, the node will encounter critical error, and if there's 2, then it will shut down. So that means it turns gray. And then in neutral mode, such as node A processing data type C, the node will just pass it along to the next one. So there's essentially you place your nodes, then you push play, and you see the data go through. And what it does or doesn't do, then you're given another round. And so essentially you're trying to set up a series of filters in such a way that they allow the right things through and hold on to the right things without getting damaged and shutting off. So what the main thing that shuts them off would be, for example, node A cannot process data type B. So we're already looking at this. It says BA, BA, A, B, B, B. So what we want to do is put a data type B, a node B first. Second, we want to put a node A. And third, we're going to put a node C. We need to place another node here, and I don't know what's going to be necessary, but for now we're just going to make it an A. We can change it if we need to later. So now, let's see what happens. Oh, yep. That's my boy. Do it. Yeah. All right. Let's see. The A is just going to bypass the B. The C, unfortunately, is going to knock this one out. Yeah, and I can't replace that with a C, otherwise it'll just eat all the A's and then immediately turn off. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to just reinforce the B right here and let it roll. Up. Yep. So as I predicted, the B turned off altogether. So this A node is doing really well where it is, I think. So this will enter neutral mode for data type C, which means that we're going to have to use both the A nodes in this one. But we're still going to put the B in front of it, just because if those B's get through right here, they'll stop everything. So let's go. Is round number 2 or 3? No, sorry, dumb. Yeah, all right. So, that was a successful data processing round. This one starts with a C, which I don't like, but it appears that I will be able to get through it if I put down a B. Again, so let's do this. Zoopity-doop. Zoopity-boop. Nope. Great, I shut down 2 nodes. I'm such a fucking winner. Okay. Oh, hey. So, sorry. I should probably find a way to blur out the confirmation code before I post this. Because I don't want you to see it, and that would ruin your game. Let's do another round. Let me make sure I have enough time on my timer. So This one starts out with A, C, B, A, A. So what we need to do is, I think we're going to have to put an A first. I don't like that, but I think we might have to. No, we got to put the B first. B, A, C, and another B. Let's roll. That's not doing what it's supposed to. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no, I did so bad, you guys. Oh, I did so bad. Okay, shit. Okay, we're going to put another A note here, and we're just going to let it roll. So this one should be fine at first. And then... Oop. I'm doing so bad. Okay, a lot of C's in here. So what if we just put... What if we just put an A note here? And hopefully it will be able to eat all the stuff before it goes through. Okay. Is it going to do it? Is it going to do it? Yeah, it's going to do it. Oh, yeah, check that out. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, great. So 1 round left. We're putting a C type here, and we're going to roll it. Oh, sorry, let's go. This should just let all the right ones through. This should just work the way it's supposed to. Oh, yeah, okay. Great. Okay, so that was my my extremely short explanation of how to use the CLAM machine. The manual is pretty comprehensive, but it still took me for fucking ever to figure this out. So I thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing it. Anyway, that's all for now. Bye.